Welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this video, we are asked to simplify 7 raised to the power of cos square x plus 7 raised to the power of sine square s equal to 8. Solution. So we have that 7 raised to the power of cos square x plus 7 raised to the power of sine square s is equal. So the first step is to multiply both sides by 7 sine square s. So we have that 7 sine square x multiplied by 7 cos square x plus 7 sine square s multiplied by 7 sine square x equal to 7 sine square x multiplied by 8. We call that from indices a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n is equal to a m plus n. So therefore, the equation becomes 7 sine square x plus cos square x plus 7 raised to the power of sine square x plus sine square x equal to 8 multiplied by 7 sine square s. But record also that sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. And also sine square x plus sine square x is equal to 2 sine square s. So therefore, we have that 7 raised to the power of 1 plus 7 raised to the power of 2 sine square x is equal to 8 multiplied by 7 sine square x. So we can rearrange our equation to become 7 raised to the power of 2 sine square x minus 8 multiplied by 7 raised to the power of sine square x plus 7 equal to 0. Also, we can express it as 7 raised to the power of sine square x all raised to the power of 2 minus 8 multiplied by 7 sine square x plus 7 equal to 0. Now at this point, we can establish that let 7 sine square s be equal to p. So the equation becomes p squared minus 8p plus 7 equal to 0. Now we have reduced our exponential equation to become a quadratic equation. Now we can solve this equation using a factorization method. So at this point, to factorize, we have that we find two values that their sum is equal to -8 and their product is equal to +7. So those two numbers are -7 and -1, because -7 plus -1 is equal to -8, and also -7 times -1 is equal to +7. So therefore, the equation becomes p squared minus 7p minus p plus 7 equal to 0. So we can factorize and we have that p, open bracket, p minus 7 minus 1, open bracket, p minus 7 is equal to 0. So we have it that p minus 1 multiplied by p minus 7 is equal to 0. So at this point, recall that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, then a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. First, we have that p minus 1 is equal to 0 or p minus 7 is equal to 0. So therefore, p is equal to 1 or p is equal to 7. Now, recall that p is equal to 7 sine squared x plus for p equal to 1, we have it that 1 is equal to 7 sine square x, and this can be expressed as 7 raised to the power of 0 equal to 7 sine squared x. So since the bases are the same, then the index should be the same. So we have that 0 is equal to sine squared x. So we can express that sine x all squared is equal to 0. Now, if we take the root of both sides, we have that sine x will be equal to plus or minus the root of 0. So therefore, sine x is equal to 0. Now, also, we have that for p equal to 7, we have that 7 is equal to 7 to the power of sine square x. So here becomes 1 because anything raised to the power of 1 is the same thing. So we have that 1 is equal to sine squared x. So sine x all squared is equal to 1. So if we take the root of both sides, so we have that sine x is equal to plus or minus root of 1. First, sine x is equal to plus or minus 1. Now, for sine x equal to plus 1, we have it that x is equal to 90 degrees plus 360k, where k is any integer. Also, in radiant, we have that x is equal to pi divided by 2 plus 2 pi multiplied by k. Also, for sine s equal to negative 1, we have it that x is equal to 270 plus 360k. So where k is an integer, also in radian, we have that x is equal to 3 pi divided by 2 plus 2 by k. Thank you so much. We have been able to simplify the inertial equation given to us. Now, if you know you have found this video helpful, Please don't forget to like the video and also to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.